In today's digital age, data is the lifeblood of many businesses and must be protected from pervasive data security threats, including hacker or virus attacks, system software and hardware faults, and human error. Huawei Cloud Backup and Recovery (CBR) lets you easily back up elastic cloud servers (ECSs), bare metal servers (BMSs), elastic volume service (EVS disks, and on-premises VMware virtual environments. And if data is ever lost, quickly restore data to any backup point. CBR is reliable, efficient, easy to use, and secure. Reliable. CBR supports consistent backup of multiple disks on a server and application, consistent backup for database servers, ensuring security and reliability for your data. Efficient. Incremental forever backups decrease the amount of time required for a backup by 95%. Instant restore allows for RTO in minutes. Simple. You can complete backup in just 3 simple steps, even if you don't have experience with backup software. CBR is easier to use than conventional backup systems. Secure. Backups of encrypted disks are automatically encrypted to ensure data security. Cross-region backup replication allows you to recover data and services in a remote region. CBR is suitable for the following scenarios. Scenario 1. Data backup and restoration. CBR enables you to back up critical enterprise applications deployed in the cloud, such as ERP, CRM, and databases. It also supports cross-region backup replication to address the remote backup needs of large enterprises as well as financial and healthcare institutions. If data is damaged by a fault or if there is a virus, data can be quickly restored in just a few clicks. Scenario 2. Fast service migration. You can create images from backups and use these images to provision new servers with the same configuration across AZs and regions. This lets you provision servers in minutes and enables fast batch deployment and service migration. Scenario 3. Quick on-cloud restoration. You can back up the data of on-premises VMware VMs using CBR and restore the backup data on-premises or on the cloud. If an outage occurs in your on-premises data center, you can restore the backup data to your local VMs. Alternatively, you can restore to cloud-native ECSs to shorten the service interruption time. CBR protects your data and ensures service continuity.